Taco G, and today I am going to be showing you all my fidget spinner I got today.
Where'd you get it from?
I got it from an arcade
Where at though?
in Lafayette.
What were we doing?
We were on a bowling field trip, and after we bowled and ate, we went to the arcade. And by the way, it was my first time trying pizza.
Yeah? How did it taste?
Good. Tasted busted for real, no
We're
cap.
on the Interstate 10, heading to Lyota. You can tell. On the OG bus, we got Jasonville right there. Oh, what's up?
Sigma, Ohio.
We got We got Tucker right there now. Yeah. Was it fun?
Yeah. Hey, wait, hold on.
Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Say bye.
Alright, y'all. This is the end of the video, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And stay poppin'.